Hello, Kurumjiri, and welcome to Sktv'S News. You're watching Afternoon English News with me, Jessie Thiam. Now, as usual, giving you the headlines first. Chief Minister Yungnam Kim John reiterates that peace is the only path to bring equal development in both hills and valley, says conflict affects students the most. National Highway 202 Imphal Ukru Road cut off near Sangkai Kuki village as miscreants dug up road using excavator. And Manipur DGP designate Mukesh Singh arrives in Imphal today to take charge as DGP of Manipur on June 1. Alright, now giving you the news in detail. Chief Minister Yungnam Kim John has reiterated on the need for peace and harmony in the state so that equal development can happen in both hills and valley. Chief Minister Kim John was speaking during special interactive session with post-metric scholarship ST beneficiaries, which was organized by Department of Travel Affairs and Hills, Government of Manipur at Hotel Imphal today. Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipgen also joined the event via video conference. The scholarship support will help students pursue higher education and meet academic expenses. Speaking in the event, which was organized as part of Birsa Lives in New Bharat Week, Chief Minister Kim John said lack of peace delays development process and it affects everyone, mostly students in the state. We are component of 36 communities in Manipur and all differences must be settled through dialogue in the interest of student community. Fellow Chief Minister Kim John also interacted with ST students, including those from Churachandpur district via video conference, and listened to their problems and inconveniences.
We are component of 36 communities in Manipur. Beli dang saukalaga Manipur saukale hai yaroi. Samna India ki achowo state mayam bu saukalaga Bharat saukale hai basu yaroi. So Manipur saukatana Bharat saukale hai yaroi. Likewise, Ching tam dalai diba aikoi khuding ba ke jaga su saukhan ba hona minasi masida kari sangi hai bu. We need a very peaceful atmosphere. Manam di Santi leitragati sakot pasi thengi Santi leitabana khwaidagi effect tawrisi koigi student community sini then nukti talaga chajaba lairaba sini aduna voice of students se hahen janingi peace through dialogue manamdi koigi khanariba mayam si student community gi yenga kanda khanabiganu peaceful atmosphere oiba state ma poroksi akoi sammanana sakot minda hona se.
Suspected local residents dug up a section of National Highway 202 in Imphal Road near Shankai Kuki village using excavators, completely disrupting vehicular movement along the highway. The damage, believed to have been carried out late last night to cut off supply lines and block goods carrying vehicles from entering Ukrul district, features an excavation approximately 2 feet deep spanning across the road. The highway destruction follows an intense confrontation in the area yesterday where a large number of local Kuki women and residents staged a blockade at the village to intercept a convoy of supply trucks heading towards Ukrul under security escort. The standoff escalated when security forces deployed tear gas shells to disperse the crowd and clear the passage for the stranded vehicles. The situation turned lethal later in the afternoon when suspected Kuki militants launched a targeted ambush on the moving convoy, leaving an FCI truck driver dead on the spot after sustaining fatal injuries, while a policeman attached to the Lidan police station suffered wounds during the attack. IPS Mukesh Singh will assume office as Director General of Police DGP of Manipur from June 1. He has arrived at Imphal today and was accorded warm welcome by top officials of Manipur Police at Imphal International Airport. When approached by media persons, Mukesh Singh expressed his wish to speak only when he assumed the charge of DGP. Meanwhile, in an order that was issued by Joint Secretary to Government of Manipur, Bijananda Chabungbam in the name of Governor of Manipur, it is informed that Mukesh Singh from Akhmud Kadra will take over as Director General of Police with effect from June 1, 2026. Mukesh Singh, a 1996 batch IPS officer of the Akmut Cadre, was serving as the DGP of Ladakh. An IIT Delhi graduate in civil engineering, the officer has extensive experience in counter-insurgency and anti-terror operations. He earlier served with the National Investigation Agency (NIA) and was closely involved in operations related to militancy and terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir. The Appointments Committee of the Cabinet (ACC) cleared the appointment of Singh on inter-Cadre deputation from the Arunachal Pradesh, Goa, Mizoram Union Territories Cadre to the Manipur Cadre for a tenure of 3 years.
You had such a wide-ranging experience, sir, particularly in counter-terrorism and other related. You are also an author, sir.
I'll speak. Just let me join, and then we'll.
Sir, any impression on the
Central government has directed state-run oil marketing companies to build liquefied petroleum gas (LPG) reserves sufficient for at least 30 days as tensions in West Asia continue to threaten global energy supply chains. According to the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, the directive has been issued to major oil marketing companies including Indian Oil Corporation (IOC), Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited (BPCL), and Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited (HPCL) to strengthen buffer stocks and ensure uninterrupted fuel availability. Joint Secretary Sujata Sharma said the government is taking precautionary measures to protect India from potential supply disruptions, including expanding crude oil storage capacity and enhancing strategic reserves. She added that India currently has adequate stocks of petrol, diesel, LPG, crude oil and natural gas, with refineries operating at optimal levels. LPG production has reportedly reached an all-time high of around 52,000 metric tons per day. The government also stated that no LPG supply shortages have been reported at distributorship levels and delivery systems remain stable with high levels of digital tracking and authentication. Shipping authorities also confirmed that Indian maritime operations remain stable, with crude oil shipments continuing to arrive safely, including vessels transiting through the Strait of Hormuz. District Election Officer and Deputy Commissioner Urban Hanglem officially launched the Special Intensive Revisions (SIR) today for the upcoming State Assembly election in Jiribam District. Speaking at a press conference in Jiribam, the Deputy Commissioner confirmed that Booth Level Officer (BLO) training was completed and that interactive sessions were conducted between booth level agents, BLAs, BLOs and assistant returning officers ahead of the launch. Arvind said that preparation and printing are underway, strictly following the timeline set by the Election Commission of India (ECI) and the Chief Electoral Officer (CEO) of Manipur. He further informed that the BLOs have already started distributing enumeration forms directly to residents' doorsteps. Seeking public cooperation for a successful revision process, the District Election Officer urged citizens to call the toll-free helpline 1950 for any inquiries regarding the SIR.
Officially started the Special Intensive Revision SAR exercise across Manipur. In this regard, the Election Commission of India as well as the CEO Office of Manipur have issued certain important key dates and events, which also includes the preparation, training and printing of the booth level officers as well as the various key interaction programs with the booth level agents and the political parties, which we have successfully concluded. In continuation of that, we have also distributed enumeration forms to the BLOs, wherein the BLOs will be making house to house.
MLA Thongam Shanti inaugurated the office building of the Unemployed Youth Development Association (UYDA) club at Okshangbung, Laranjam Laikai today. He also handed over the renovated Ibutho Tangjing Thamnapokpi Laikonunga Amaiba Shrine and the clergy's office building to the locals. Speaking at the function, MLA Shanti stressed the urgent need to build unity and actively participate in developmental works. He also underlined the crucial need for local clubs and civil organizations to guide localities in the right direction.
Unemployed Youth Development or Association na like kaya wala kung gagawin club ay lekai ini kunang duri sayen segni na kana nai maldi sakhat pe mami any lekai da thoi ba thodo otho pulam ki mami se gam sida to tai da ko no se wa don ba se lekai ini kunang duri sayen segni lo thauchiti koi pothan amna khanno ma to no re akoi gali puttan da bi dong ta akoi dai rot club sina matam mi awareness bi da na ai mai bel sin ai bi lekai ni sa susi ya tan no matam ole.
Now we shall take a short break. We'll be right back. Keep watching Sktv'S News.
Lana Thoram, Mapugi Sinthatungina, Malem Taibang Panasida, Aikoi Kwaigi Irakta Tinjaramba, Tokjom Omorze, Gogona, Maginu Sizaraba, Imung Manung Sagainate, Amadi, Marup Mapang Kwai Pumna Makpu, Hadoglam Laga, Hauki Bachachet Kuntare, Tamanga, Inglisingani Kuntaru Kumja, Ingagi Tarama Twini Panba, Yumsakaisa Numita, Taibang Sengzel Loiraduna, Mapugi Lekolda, Leirang Linam Oinatin Kre, Lagli Bachachet Kuntrama Thoi Tamanga, Inglisingani Kuntaru Kumja, Ingagi Thanil Taramangani Panba, Nomaizing Numita, Mangani Lehun Tamjaraga, Lagli Bachachet Taruk, Tha Taruk, Inglisingani Kuntaruk, Kumja, Ingagi Kunma Twini Panba, Thangza Numita, Lana Thoram Thokle, Numidasida, Laikidrabagi Tawaina, Lairam Lenda, Ingna Chikna Lairunabagi Damak, Ngamzaba Hirang Lerang Karadang, Ting Panba, Mapugi Mapamda Kachagadori, Thoramasida, Ahlaman, Ima Ibin Amadi Marup Mapang Kwai Pumnamakna, Matam Chana Lingbirakuna, Mapugi Minkairol, Tabiranaba, SKTV ki Thong the Pauzenjari ba, Thokjom Ongbi Sunibala, Priya, Loinabi, Amadi Imung Manung.
Sri Sri Gaura Chandraya Namaha, Purvashram Daikoi Kwai Pumnamak Pukon Biramba, Thokjom Hemo Singhana Mahaki Nushijaraba, Imung Manung Shagai Nate, Marup Mapang Kwai Pumnamak Puthadok Lamlaga, Haukiba Mekun, Ingagi Marini Panba, Yumsakesha Nimita, Brindavan Prapti Oikre, Lagli Bajun Ani, Ingagi Tara Taret Ni Panba, Leibak Popa Numita, Laikidrabagi Strada Din Thokle, Upalaksa Sida, Ipuroi Bagatina Loina Biramba Ikoina Disha Khangja Haudraba, Ahalaman Marup Mapang Kwai Pumnamak Matam Chana Lingbirakuna, Harinam Servan Taubiranaba, Paujenjari, Hauram Pareng, Ayupung Mapan, Vekatpa, Nungtil Pung Tarani Toy Makai, Sankritan Hauba, Paujenjari B, Thokjom Vidyamani Devi, Imung Manung Amasung Marimata, Puripok Achom Laikai, Len number 1.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. You're watching Sktv's Afternoon English News. Now moving on. Small Town Committee STC of ADC Tamenglong, in collaboration with the Women's Society of New Salem, Ward Number 4, organized a joint information, education and communication IEC campaign on solid waste management SWM in Tamenglong today. The event featured a comprehensive cleanliness drive spanning from Rani Market to Medical Gate, aimed at eradicating waste and promoting community hygiene. Around 75 community leaders and local residents actively participated in the drive, which successfully raised public awareness about maintaining clean and sustainable surroundings. Kanglepak Modern School organized its 32nd annual Felicitation and Prize Distribution event to felicitate meritorious students who scored high marks at Class 10 examination conducted by BOSUM. Zonal Education Officer of Imphal Zone 1, Y.M. Chandra, Dean of Students Welfare, Manipur University, Professor C.H. Bohol, Vigyan Mandir Officer, Imphal West, Oina Mohindro, and Principal of Kanglepak Modern School, Hijam Manglemba, graced the function which was held at the school campus located at Lairan Kabi. Apunba Sorokaibam Sagai Trust ASST celebrated its 8th Foundation Day and Felicitation Ceremony yesterday at the Salam Mamang Leka residence of Lamsang MLA S. Rajan. The event was graced by MLA Rajan alongside ASST President Sorokaibam Tomba. During the function, 9 distinguished individuals belonging to the Sorokaibam clan were honored for their outstanding achievements in their respective fields. In his address to the gathering, MLA Rajan urged members of the Sorokaibam families to actively participate in state developmental works and social causes, while also appealing for their cooperation in ongoing efforts to restore peace and normalcy in the region. Ningthau Kongjam Moirang Ningthau Mitay, who was a close associate of Lamyan Bahija Mirabot, passed away at age 96 yesterday. He died due to his personal ailment at his KB Kulin residence. Moirang Ningthau served under different capacities during his lifetime. He was the Pradhan of Uyumpol Gram Panchayat from 1992 to 1997 and a founder president of Ringo Youth Club. He took pivotal role in the establishment of KB High School, where he had also served as a president of school managing committee. Moirang Ningthau also took key role in the establishments of KB Primary School and Sawombong High School. He was also the chairman of Lamjing Mara Sindam Sangh and founder president of Irabot Memorial Trust. Now we have the weather report. As per ICR Regional Center Imphal, Manipur recorded a maximum temperature of 26.5 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was recorded at 22.5 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 83% in the morning and 74% in the evening. And Manipur received 1.2 millimeters of rainfall in the past 24 hours. Now before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Yumnam Kim Chan reiterates that peace is the only path to bring equal development in both hill and valley, says conflict affects students the most. National Highway 202 Imphal Road cut off near Sangkai Kuki village as miscreants dug up the road using excavator. And Manipur DGP designate Mukesh Singh arrives in Imphal today to take charge as DGP of Manipur on June 1. Well, that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.